Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Welcome to my channel. And then in this video tutorial, I will teach you guys on how to create Hello World program using Go or golang programming language. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Go is one of the most popular programming language. It was developed by Google way back in 2009. It was designed to make programming much easier. And then one of the best thing about Go programming language, it is number one, it is open source. It can be used without any cost. Number two, it improves concurrency operations in computer programming and makes programming much enjoyable compared with other programming language. So here I'm using a text editor in our Peppermint Linux. So I have already wrote the code package main, and then we have here import FMT. FMT is for the format. In every Go program, we should start with the word func for function and then main. The main function is similar to your C programming language or C++. The starting point of program execution, curly bracket, fmt.println hello world in Go, and then close curly bracket. As you observe in this statement, there is no semicolon at the end of the statement. After we save our program, it is already saved, so we have here hello_world.go. To run our program, we go to the Peppermint terminal window, and then we will issue this command, ls. So we have here the file hello_world.go. so we have here go space run hello_world.go. press enter key. It execute hello world in Go. If we want to create an executable file, we simply issue this command, go build hello world.go. When we issue the ls or list command, there is already a file colored in green, so hello_world. To execute, simply type this command /hello_world without the extension. Press enter key. It execute hello world in Go. So this is the end of our tutorial video. So I hope that you have already an idea on how to write hello world program in Go programming language or golang using Linux operating system. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in this video tutorial. Please share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.